In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am pleased to share my happiness with you that today on 15th April 2026, one of my paper is accepted in the International Journal of Financial Studies. They give me the certificate of acceptance. I am very thankful to my co-authors, Dr. Akram Naseem Saab, Dr. Rana Tanveer Hussain Saab, and Dr. Faisal Kadir, Dr. Ishfaq Ahmed. I am thankful to all because they guide me a lot so that I can able to fulfill my requirement of the journal, and the paper is accepted for publications. And I thankful to my family who prayed a lot for me that I completed this research and fulfill all the requirement of the journals, and finally my paper is accepted, and inshallah it will be published soon. When the paper will be published, I will discuss all the research methods, research, and what I have done, and how can we able to publish our paper in a good journal. Inshallah, I will discuss everything with you. But now, as paper is not yet published, therefore I will only discuss the abstract of the paper, and for what is the theme of paper, and what is the title of the paper is the influence of the board attributes on tax avoidance and firm performance. Board attributes and the firm performance, and the mediating is of the tax avoidance, because you know most of the time I work on tax avoidance. If we discuss the abstract, the abstract of the paper is that the latest research on tax avoidance indicates that the number of female directors on board increase the accounting accuracy. Why? And the company perform by decreasing tax avoidance. When the tax avoidance decreases, the firm performance increases. The empirical research illustrates that women's high risk aversion and more conservative characteristics are key for company decision making. Therefore, they did not avoid the taxes because they are risk aversion and conservative. It's a good for that the company, when company avoid low tax, then the performance increases. Especially when considering a tax strategy, we posit that the risk avoidance of the women and other board attributes that enhance the diversity influence the company's sustainability through their effect on the company's tax paying activities. We will discuss. I have discussed all the attributes of governance, especially the board diversity that impact on tax avoidance and firm performance. To verify this relationship, an empirical analysis was conducted using the data for the period of 2009 to 2025 for the non-financial enterprises listed on Pakistan Stock Exchange. The result shows that enhancing diversity on the board by attributes such gender inclusion paves the way firm to achieve firm performance, because due to the diverse board, they give their good suggestion for the performance of the firm. Then the performance of the firm increased by diverse board, and the tax avoidance decreases, reduced by the diverse board. The result shows that tax avoidance partially mediate the relationship between the corporate board attribute and the firm performance. Effective board diversity encourage firm to engage more tax paying activities, and while leads to the positive firm performance, the research outcomes strengthen the existing proof of the link between board diversity and company's financial performance, with tax avoidance behavior serving as an intervening factor. This also provides the insight policymaker authorities to encourage them to make the tax related regulations that better promotes the long-term growth and prosperity. This study filled the gap in the research by highlighting the influence of board diversity on the tax avoidance behaviors and corporate financial performance. My keyword was tax avoidance main, and the keyword of total research was board diversity, gender, tax avoidance, sustainability, organization performance. The result of this research are that when the firms did not avoid the taxes, and board is diverse. How board diverse? Board diverse due to gender, due to board independence, board diligence, and board expertise. I measure all these things by their calculating, which the research has proven the calculating methods. I calculate all the independent variables, and then the intervening of tax avoidance by paying total taxes on net income, and the firm performance of the firm is calculated by return on assets and return on equity. I will share all the paper with you after the publication, but yet I was happy today that my paper is accepted, and inshallah I will discuss and share with you all the research methods, calculations, analysis, literature, introduction, everything will be shared with you. Remain with me if you want to learn about research. Please like, share and subscribe so that the policymakers can understand and our voice reach to the policymakers. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.